In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to cancel Netflix auto payment. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website netflix.com. Log into your account. Once you're on the home page, tap three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. From here, select account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage billing and membership details. Now, Netflix does not offer a direct turn off auto payment button, but there are two methods you can use to stop automatic charges. The first method is to change your billing day. If you don't want Netflix to charge you on the same date every month, you can adjust it. Tap on billing details, then choose the option to change billing day. You'll see a list of dates. Select the one that works best for you. Once you choose a new day, tap review and confirm to save your changes. This does not cancel auto payments, but it lets you control when Netflix charges your account. Next method is to cancel your Netflix membership. Scroll down and tap cancel membership. A message will appear telling you that your cancellation will take effect at the end of your current billing period. After that date, Netflix will not charge you unless you decide to restart your membership. Tap Finish Cancellation to complete the process. Netflix won't delete your account. You can come back within 10 months and everything will still be there, including your profile, watch history, preferences, and recommendations. And that's it. These are two ways to stop Netflix from automatically charging you. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.